once again. What would you do? I do just to hold you in my arms, try to make you laugh. Oh, come a bit closer, Adam King. Adam King, come a bit towards me. Jump. Come a bit towards me. Stand about here. Oh, I thought you were going to jump into it. Good, you film. Attack!